Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make chicken potato salad Filipino style step by step. Start by boiling 3 pounds potatoes until fork tender, then chill and dice into bite-sized pieces. Shred cooked chicken and mix with diced potatoes, sliced onions, and peas. Fold in 2 cups mayonnaise, 2 tablespoons vinegar, salt, and pepper to taste. Chill for at least 1 hour before serving chilled on a platter. When seasoning, taste as you go and balance creaminess with a touch of acidity. Add sweet pickles or grated carrot for texture contrast, or substitute Greek yogurt for part of the mayo to cut richness. For a classic Filipino touch, include diced red relish and chopped hard-boiled eggs. Chill the salad for at least 1 hour so flavors meld, then serve cold with toasted bread or as a side at your next family gathering. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: stay hydrated while prepping your salad because stirring mayo takes focus, and the Owala water bottle keeps drinks cold and fits cup holders. I find it leaks nothing and is easy to grab between steps. Check the description for the link and other deals that I recommend, then now let's get back to the video. To present the salad, mound it neatly in a chilled bowl and garnish with chopped parsley and a sprinkle of paprika. Use a shallow dish for faster chilling and to make scooping easier for guests. Store leftovers in an airtight container in the fridge for up to 3 days and avoid leaving it at room temperature for more than 2 hours. Retoss gently before serving to refresh flavors and texture.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.